Hello, good morning, everybody. We've come to the end of the week. This is Friday at the beginning of the month, July. So today, I want us to continue. I want us to see exactly what we expected to happen by Monday, on Monday, and then let's see what actually happened. So we had a level here. We had a very good support here. We had a support there. We had a support there, and currently, as we're speaking, we have a support here. So technically, if the price does not clearly break and close below this level, if the price does not break below this level here, then this will act as a good place to look for a buy position from. We expect the buyers to push price upwards, at least up to this level here. So basically, we do expect that the price may likely break below this point. If that happens, then we may see the price continue downwards, at least up to this point, which is 1.20432. If the price descends below that line, then the next line is this one, which is 1.19661. On the upper side, if the price breaks above this level, then we do expect it to continue upwards up to this level here. So if the price bounces off from this point, we expect the buyers to push us upwards up to this level here. If the price breaks above this point, then we expect it to continue upwards, at least up to this level here. So the next chart, which I want us to have a look at, I want us to look at Euro USD. Euro USD has been a sell for some times now. So we had a major move to the upside. The price even hit a very good resistance level, this one. We had a resistance here, we had a resistance, we had a resistance. So as we're speaking right now, we have a support there. So we had a support, we had a support, we had a support. That is this breakout. As long as the price remains above this point here, this trend line, we do expect the buyers to push price upwards, at least up to this level, this trend line here, so that we pick a sell position. We are expecting the sellers to push us downwards up to this point here. So basically, this here will be the best place to look for a sell from. If the price pulls back up and touches this level, this will be the best place to look for a sell from, at least up to this level here. If the price descends below this level, then we expect it to continue downwards, at least up to this point, which is 131.669. So if the price comes back and touches this point, we look for a sell position with our target here. The next target is fixed at this line here. The next instrument is a Euro USD. So Euro USD so far, we have a level here. We have a very good support there. So we have a resistance, we have a resistance, we have a resistance, we have a resistance. Then we have this one. So we have a resistance, we have a resistance, we have a resistance, we have a resistance. We have a support, we have a support, we have a support, and we have a support. There is this breakout, there is a pullback. So this could have been the correct place to look for a sell from. We also have a level here. So if the price goes down and breaks below this trend line, then that will be a sign that now we are continuing to the lower side. And if the price pulls back up and ends up breaking above, if the price pulls down and then bounces off from this point and heads upwards, then we do expect the buyers to push price upwards back to this trend line here. So if you're on this chart as we're speaking now, watch for this level here. Also watch for the line at the top. I drew this line in between because it was forming a shape. That's why I have it inside. My next chart is gold. So on gold, so far we are seeing the possibility that the price may likely extend to the lower side. So on the Forex chart, you can see what has happened. We had a support here, we had a support there, then the price has successfully closed below those two levels. So the line at the top is 1805.25, the line at the bottom is 1801.32. As long as the price remains below these two lines, we do expect the sellers to push price even lower. So we have another one. There we have a resistance, we have a resistance, and we have a resistance. So as long as the price is held below these two lines, we do expect the price to continue downwards. We are actually looking forward for more sell positions, at least up to this level here. So the next chart which I want us to have a look at is the Brent oil. So the Brent oil, so far as we are speaking right now, this is what we are looking at. We have a resistance, we have a resistance. So we have this shape here. This is a minor converging wedge formation. It was broken here. The price used it as a support. It was again broken below it. Then we had a resistance and a resistance. So where the price is headed now is this trend line. This will give us the best place to look for a buy from. If the price comes down and touches this line here, then this will be the correct place to look for a buy from. My next chart is the SP500. So with the SP500, so far the price has been bearish. For some reasons, the price continues to move down. So we may see a possible continuation down, at least up to this level here. So this is 3505.5. The price may likely continue down and touch this level here. So thank you very much. That should bring us to the end of today's analysis. We'll meet again tomorrow on Monday at the same time. Thank you and see you.